Space exploration begins with the Earth's only satellite, the Moon. So why are people obsessed with it?
달에는 헬륨 수준은 아주 좋은 자원들이 있습니다. 우리가 한 10,000톤에서 10만 톤을 지구로 갖고 오면 지구가 1년 동안 모든 사람들이 쓸 수 있습니다.
In order to obtain the Moon's never-ending resources, the Moon must have a center set up for humans to inhabit. Korea has recently developed a concrete that builds without the presence of water.
기본적으로 달에 30cm부터 한 1m 정도는 그 화산재로 덮여 있습니다. 그래서 어글리틴 나이트를 만들어서 배합을 해야 그 흙에서, 그 복제토에서 우리가 원하는 물을 만들어낼 수 있고.
In order to mimic the Moon's soil, one must first find a soil that best resembles it. After observing soil from all over Korea, the researchers focused on basalt in Jeju and andesite in Gyeongju. So how is the duplicate soil made? First, the stone is ground upon in a grinder, and that's when an iron ball is put in as well. It uses centrifugal force to make a free fall, grinding up on the ore. This produces a finely ground up pieces and particles of ore. The ground up ore is then separated based on the size of the particles, 6 groups to be exact. When these particles are then mixed in the same ratio as that of the Moon, out comes the Korean replica soil, the 5th country to succeed in such efforts after the US, Japan, China, and Canada. The microscope shows the similarity between the two soils. Korean space technology is now accepted through various space-related workshops to participate. NASA seems especially intrigued in concrete made out of replica soil.
기존에 시멘트를 만드는 것과는 다르게 루나 복제토를 이용을 해서 저희 루나 콘크리트는 폴리머만을 사용을 해서 건식 콘크리트와 같은 방법으로 루나 콘크리트를 만들고 있습니다.
The research team succeeded in using the replica soil to produce a concrete block devoid of water, which is important since the Moon lacks water. It instead used melted plastic fiber to replace water. This concrete will not only be used to set up a headquarters in space, it will also be used as a form of shelter for people.
앞으로는 기술, 건설을 수출을 해야 된다고 생각을 합니다. 그중에 가장 중요한 것은 토목 환경 기술에서도 리딩 엣지 부분, 첨단 기술이 있기 때문에 지금 이 순간에 시작을 하면 10년 뒤에 우리는 우주 건설의 강국으로서 충분히 경쟁력이 있다고 생각이 듭니다.
The space headquarters, which seemed like pipe dreams, is now on the verge of reality. Here's hoping the continued R&D on space programs will one day bear fruit and become a dark horse of the industry.